digital skills that will help you survive the computer age. Technology has become a vital part of our everyday lives. The way people do their daily tasks has changed thanks to the development of technology. The digital revolution has enabled humans to use tools that make life easier, faster, and more interconnected. In addition, it has become the norm for various industries to integrate technology into nearly all aspects of their businesses. Do you think you are skilled enough to stand out in a rapidly digitizing world? Do you think you should improve your digital skills? In this video, find out what digital skills you should learn to survive in this rapidly evolving market. Welcome to Lux Diva, the place to dream, learn, and improve your life. Number 1. Content marketing. Do you remember a time when you were convinced that you had to buy that new gadget because you'd read somewhere how useful it would be and how high-tech the specs are? That is content marketing. Content marketing is as simple as strategically putting out content to promote a product. It lets people know about your business, gives them information about your products, and lets that information promote your brand for you. We think you should learn this skill because content marketing is at the heart of marketing strategy. Content marketing allows you to attract and retain your customers. This can boost your business's reputation. Content marketing has been used by businesses and brands for centuries, and now it's being applied to digital marketing too. It is the key to growing a business online. Some good examples of content marketing are blog posts, videos, podcasts, and online articles. Think about it. If there's a new mobile phone brand and you've no idea why this brand is better than other more established phone brands, would you buy it? Content marketing helps to answer this question. By learning how to properly advertise products or brands through content marketing, you can better attract new customers. Number 2. Social media. If you are like most people, you use all of the popular social media platforms. If you want to upskill your digital skills, you might as well develop your social media managing skills. More than half of the world's population are active social media users. As technology becomes more and more advanced, you can assume that the number will only go higher in the next couple of years. This is why a lot of companies now heavily rely on their social media managers to engage with their consumers. Recently, this has also been an instrumental tool in providing excellent customer service. Look at your local internet service provider's social media accounts. You'll find that customers who have questions or concerns are reaching out to their providers on social media. So, skill up, future social media manager. Number 3. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. You have probably used or perhaps heard about Apple Siri or Amazon's Alexa. They're virtual assistants that are powered by artificial intelligence. With the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning, businesses can improve their products and services. You don't actually have to be an AI developer to take advantage of what machine learning and AI have to offer. However, if you want to understand how they can make a business more relevant, you need to learn and understand how they work. It's believed that AI and machine learning will transform how businesses operate, as they will provide solutions to everyday problems, cutting costs and improving internal processes. Pretty neat, right? Number 4. Graphic design. Designs are a great way to capture a person's attention. Advertisements that you see online have designs. Your favorite brand can be recognized by its logo's design. Graphic design can also be tied to a brand's identity. People are getting busier by the day, so companies need to be more aggressive in competing against each other for your attention. If you are a graphic designer, you will find yourself in demand in industries like advertising, printing, news media, the arts, and technology. What's more, having this skill can enable you to earn more. An average mid-level graphic designer can earn $40 or more per hour. Imagine how much more money you can earn if you learn this skill. Number 5. Cloud computing. Do you use online apps, saving and collaborating on documents online? These are just a few examples of cloud computing technology. Businesses are relying more and more on cloud computing to keep them afloat. Employees can easily upload and download files on the cloud as needed. so the whole team can access them regardless of where they live and work. If you are proficient at cloud computing, it is likely you will be in higher demand as the technology continues to expand. As a matter of fact, the market size of cloud computing is foreseen to explode as companies continue to embrace remote working. So, if you ask us, cloud computing is definitely one of the skills you should equip yourself with to secure your future in a rapidly digitizing world. Number 6. Search engine optimization. When you look something up online, you normally use the first few results to answer your query. That's how search engine optimization or SEO works. Businesses want more exposure. They want more people to see their site or get a glimpse of their logos or products and services. With the use of specific keywords, SEO experts can increase the traffic that your website gets. This is one of the most essential skills that marketing teams depend on. You don't necessarily have to become an expert in this field, but knowing how this works will definitely give you an edge whether you're an employee or have your own business. Number 7. Computer literacy. Almost all businesses require their employees to have some sort of knowledge when it comes to using computers. The world is becoming increasingly tech-driven. Even having internet access is no longer considered a luxury, but thought of as a necessity. If you are not yet familiar with basic computer tools such as word processors, spreadsheets, or digital presentation software, now is the best time to start getting to know them. Knowing your way around these technologies could end up being the determining factor between scoring that job and losing it to someone more technologically literate. Thanks to technology, we are living a more convenient life than our grandparents did. Technology has improved our quality of life, and it will continue to do so. However, the ways we do things have also changed because of it. That's why learning these digital skills will help you improve your life and achieve your goals. Well, that's it for today's video. What do you think is the most helpful skill to learn in your job? Which skills do you want to learn? Let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to enjoy more useful content from us. If you haven't clicked away, you're going to enjoy hearing the bonus. The bonus: e-learning. When was the last time you attended an online seminar? Have you ever taken an online course? Traditional learning has existed for thousands of years. However, in today's fast-paced digital world, e-learning is quickly becoming the norm. Of course, this is not for everyone, but one of the easiest and most time-efficient ways to learn new digital skills is to enroll yourself in online schools. Try it. This just might be the perfect way for you to acquire some of the digital skills mentioned here. Now, that's it for our video about digital skills you should learn to adapt to this fast-moving world. See you again in our next video.